I'd like to introduce Patient Monitor. The model name is BT-770. Firstly, here is alarm indicator. There are two lamps. First one is battery operator. This one is AC power. Battery connector is connected now, and I will disconnect it. This indicator has disappeared, but inside there is battery. The battery operation is 5 hours, and the recharging time is 4 hours. So you can see the blinking of indicator. This one is power button. When you press it after 3 seconds, the power will be off. And you can turn on. This one is graph stop button. When you press this button, graph is stopped and restart. This one is setting button. You can see many kinds of setting here. This one is NIBP button. Start and stop. This one is alarm post button. You can see alarm post. The default is 120 seconds, which means 2 minutes. You can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, then permanent, but default is 2 minutes. And this one is alarm reset button. This is side part. Temperature 1, temperature 2, SpO2, ECG and NIBP. Also, when you have printer, you need to install the printer this port. Here is battery cover. And this is handle. Here is speaker port. This one is air outlet. Here is air intake, so there is ventilation. This one is nurse call port. This one is for CMS port, so when you have long cable, you can connect here. USB port and power adapter port. So let me introduce inside panel. Here is alarm pause. This one and this one is the same function. You can pause alarm. This one is patient data setup. This one is the same. You can see patient data and also patient data. So when you enter third the patient info, you can put any data. Name, ID, gender, other things. And this one you can remove alarm tabular trend and NIBP trend. This one is the NIBP function. This one and this one is the same. NIBP start and NIBP stop. This one is event mark. So when you think you need to put some alarm here manually, you can put this button. Now is 0046, and when you touch here, there is manual event. This one is display. Now you can see graph. 2 ECG graph. SpO2 graph. Respiration graph. When you touch one time, just one ECG graph, and this one is number mode. And this one is only ECG. You can see 7 parameter. And this is the default. This one is graph freezer. It's the same with this button. You can see the trend. You can select whatever you want. And graph tabular. And NIBP. This button is to start printer. This one is setting. Patient is the same with this patient setup. And there is module setup. In case you know the CMS, you need to put on this button. And if you want to use printer, you should change this button. But this button is required to restart. Also, you can set the alarm, ECG, SpO2, NIBP, respiration, and temperature. And you can set parameter setup. ECG, SpO2, NIBP, respiration, temperature, and drug calculation. You can put the patient type and drug name. This one is oxygen CRG. You can enter the demo mode. The number is 5555. And you can see the graph. If you want to stop the demo mode, you need to reset. And there is user maintenance. Number is 2013. And there is user maintenance. The current password is 2013. Then you can put the device name, department, and bed number. Also, you can select different language here. And time setup. CMS setup. And module maintenance. If you enter the ECG, you can do calibration here. Also NIBP, you can do calibration and lick test. You can change the unit, centimeter, inch. And you can change notch frequency, 50 or 60 Hertz. If you want to make some changes to default, you can press this button. And you can change the volume here. Alarm, QRS pulse, touch, and key. And if you want to use lock mode, just press the lock button. It is not working even though you touch. But the knob is working. This one is patient data. You can see alarm, physiological alarms, and technical alarm. This one is accuracy, drug calculation, and battery and brightness. Auto 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you press this graph, you can enter the setup. This one is ECG setup. This one is SpO2 setup. Respiration setup. Heart rate is from ECG, so you can enter ECG setup here. NIBP. SpO2. Respiration. Temperature. Time setup. Thank you for watching.